everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ray. Anyways, the purpose of this video is how to bleed your brakes. Keep bleeding, I keep bleeding love. Just kidding. I'll just be quiet. Now the goal here is just to make sure that there is no bubbles. I'm liking the feel of that. Yeah. Step 1, to know which tool you need. Of course, you'll be needing a hex screw. I don't know if it's a 3 or 4, maybe 3, 4, and 5. Because you need to take off your caliper as well. Towels, mineral oil for your eBrakes. I specifically have the Magura brakes, the MT5, MT7. I do have to have the royal blood. Just kidding, the royal blue. Do not get any of this onto your bike, that it can ruin the paint job. Because you're going to take that screw off. I have to make sure that whatever size screw that is, it is the same size of whatever parts that bleeding kit comes with. You're going to get that kit that you have, right? That tool kit. First of all, don't remove both. No. I did not say that. You're going to go down to the caliper first. Remove the caliper. Stabilize your caliper, making sure that the opening is facing upward. Okay. It can be tilted. It can be tilted this way, 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 this way. It can be tilted anyway like that because it has to be level, so that you can not introduce any air. Ask me, I'm a nurse. I know how not to introduce any air. I like priming my lines, you know, my IV lines. Again, I have not introduced any air. As you can see, it is still there. And start letting it flow. Next step. There's this little funnel, it's so cute, oh my god. What am I gonna do next? You will see it will start flowing down. Just as long as you know you're gonna dispose the oil when you're done, okay? What you gotta do is just fill it up with the mineral oil, right? Put some mineral oil in there. There's going to be this line where you have to put the mineral oil just only up to there. Don't get too excited. Don't fill it up because, you know, best believe if air needs to go out that way, it's going to go. You know, physics, guys. And hold on to this because it's actually your lifesaver. Now you're gonna start bleeding, okay? This is going on. This is going on, okay? Oh, really, there it goes. Once when you angle the hose, it's gonna properly flow down quickly, just like that. And then you make sure you just have to refill it while it's flowing. Just make sure that the block is still in, okay? so that you can bleed it correctly. I'm gonna put this right here. See, all of that. Keep it coming. All right, and you can see less and less there will be bubbles, okay? So I'm gonna keep doing that until we see no bubbles at all. And just watch it flow. You see that there is no more air in there. Guess what? You're at the ending already. Now it's time to go ahead and close those openings. I am not no mechanic. I am not no technician. I am not no, I don't know what you call all them cool people, them geeks, right? I did a lot of shortcuts before, and trust me, it's not worth it. It can cost you your life. Be right back. So when you start bleeding, this is what you do. Plunger's on that funnel. Funnel's connected to your handbrakes. Handbrake is open, but it's plunged, right? So you go down back to where you were from the beginning. So, okay, the caliper's out, steady, and you still have that tubing sticking out, and it's kinked, right? Now, what you're gonna do first is unkink that shit. Just unkink it. So for it to start flowing, you need to remove what's blocking it. From the top where the handlebar is at, or the handbrakes, you remove that plunger, that small tiny stick. You don't need that. Take that out for now. Put it aside where you can actually reach it. Keep an eye on the mineral oil, because you're gonna realize, holy crap. So, see this little tiny plunger thingy? Plunge it before air gets introduced. And then you have accomplished of bleeding your brake. Congratulations. And you guys have actually done it. Just like me. We've done it. We're amazing, guys. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoyed me talking a lot and being crazy dumb sometimes. I hope you guys like it. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff that all the YouTubers say. I love you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Baby, put your head down. Let me rub my fingers through. You can be yourself now. I lost my voice, by the way, and I like it. I like whenever I lose my voice, because so this is me when I'm after work, because, I'm thugging. You know why? Because I'm fat. Test your brakes.